Hi everyone, welcome to Las Recetas de Laura. Today we're making salpicón. Salpicón is a Mexican beef salad that is super delicious, and they have it in several countries in Latin America made in different ways. So today I teach you how to make salpicón norteño from Chihuahua, where I am from. You're gonna love it. First of all, let me tell you that this recipe is family approved. This is much faster if you make it in a pressure cooker or an instant pot. If you can actually do it on a normal pot. It's only that the beef is gonna take about 1 hour and 40 minutes to be ready. Shredded beef takes a long time to be cooked. So place the beef in the pot, cover with water, add 3 bay leaves, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 of an onion, and 1 tablespoon of salt, and another tablespoon of oregano. Now let it cook. Instructions: if you are using an Instapot, use the mix 2 option. If you are using a pressure cooker, it takes about 30 minutes after putting the cap on. Okay, so now cook the beef, and then when it's ready, let it cool down and then shred that beef. We're going now to the secret of this recipe. Red onion is what gives the amazing taste to salpicón. So cut the red onion into julienne strips and then bath with vinegar. Almost cover the onion with vinegar and add a spoon of oregano and about 3 pinches of salt. So let it marinate in the vinegar, put it in the fridge, and let it rest over there. Just mix once in a while. Now, let's go to the pre-cooked vegetables. You need to let them boil for about 3 minutes and then just put them in cold water so you can start with coction of the vegetables, okay? So they don't keep on boiling. Now, I have peas, I have carrots, I have corn, and I have green beans over here. Now, next step, let's cut our lettuce into small squares, rinse in water, and make sure that you dry very well that lettuce before mixing with all the other ingredients. So now, let's start. Mix the lettuce with the beef, the pre-cooked vegetables, the onion with all the marinade, top with the marinade, all the vinegar and that we made. Mix everything together, add some pepper, salt to taste, and also you need some vinegar. That's gonna be about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, okay? Mix everything well, and you can add a vinegar, more oregano or salt. It depends on the taste that you want to achieve. But with the quantities I'm giving you here, it takes for the perfect seasoning. So if you need more tips, more ideas, or you want to see what other different ingredients you can use for this recipe, go to my blog, lasrecetasdelaura.com. Thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram as Las Recetas de Laura, and I see you next week with another delicious and healthy Mexican recipe. Adios, amigos.